In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Disney Plus app on your Mac. As of recording this video, there is no official Disney Plus app for Mac, so we're going to have to use web apps which allow you to use any website as an application on your Mac. To do this, the first thing we need to do is to open our Safari web browser, and once you've done this, you want to go to the URL bar and you want to go to disneyplus.com. Once you're on the Disney Plus website, we need to turn this into an application. To do this, you want to click on the File tab at the very top, and then you want to click on Add to Dock. From here, it's going to ask you if you want to rename the application, so we're going to keep it as Disney Plus, and then you want to rename the URL. In this case, we're going to leave it as disneyplus.com. Once you're ready, you want to click on Add, and the application will now be added to your dock. So if we go ahead and open the application, it will open in its own application window, and you'll notice it looks exactly the same as the website, and that's because it's a web application. So if we go ahead and close out of Safari, you will notice the web application is still open, and we can start using Disney Plus just as we normally would. This web application will also behave like a normal app on our Mac. So if we go into the Spotlight search, we can open the application from here, or alternatively we can open the Launchpad and we can open the application from here. If we would like to delete the application from our Mac, all we need to do is to quit out of the application, and then you simply want to drag it into the bin, and that will delete the app from your Mac. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.